on, guys, we're back on another video. Today we will be reacting to the Hated Triplet, a sad Roblox movie. And if you don't know me, probably don't know me as well, but I am a triplet. I am the youngest out of them, the triplets that I am. Yeah. So the reason why I'm reacting to this is because I am a triplet. I love being a triplet, but this is called the Hated Triplet. Out of me, I am not hated. Neither are the other two that are hated. We're all loved very much. So, I may shed some tears because the hated triplet. Yeah, because I'm a triplet as well. But none of us are hated. Our family is very nice. Okay, let's get into it. Oh yeah, hold on. Before we watch more, for you guys, the video might turn out laggy. But to me, it's running a solid 60 FPS. But for you, I don't know, 30, 17, 20 FPS. I don't know. I don't know the FPS for this screen recording thing. But, yeah, my bad. Let's go. I'll put all the subtitles. You guys can't hear. Whoa. Hey, the blue one looks like me. Yeah, the blue one looks like me, but does not. Even closer. Our family is so good. Close. This music. Nice haircut.
What are you doing, man? You're such a loser. You're always inside. Hey, Lucas.
Oh, hey, Lucas. I got to hear that again.
Loser. You're always inside. Hey, Lucas.
Oh, hey, Lucas. Okay, let's go.
Dude, you're so lame. You just stay inside all day and just read? What are you, a freak? I'm not a freak. I just enjoy reading. Why can't you be normal like me and Tyler and just play outside? Like a real kid. But I have really bad allergies. I can't.
Hey, that's us. I have allergies as well. Oh my gosh, no way. Okay, hold on. I have allergies, and if this guy says he has asthma, I have asthma. If the guy says he's short, I'm not that short. I'm like 4'12". Still pretty short for a 7th grader. If this guy says he got, I don't know, bad grades, I mean, I have decent grades, but let's get on.
I can't believe that I have to call you my triplet. I wish you were never even born.
Oh, jeez,
Say that, please.
that's...
I hate you. I hate that I'm related to such a freak.
Damn.
Why would you say that?
No, that's so messed up. Not that I saw this. Good, off topic.
Hey, Tyler. Hey, what's up, Joey? Nothing. Lucas was picking on me again. I don't get why he's so mean to me.
It sounds like his nose is all stuffed up, I swear. It's like, oh, I got this stuff. I pulled my nose. Oh, hey, guys, yeah. Joey was picking on me again. Yeah. Y'all got the pow-pow. That's what he sounds like.
All the time. I wish you could figure out why he hates me so much. Dude, Joey doesn't hate you. But maybe if you made an effort to try to spend time with him, why would I want to spend time with him? He's always awful to me. I'm on the side with Lucas. No, I don't. I'm just telling you how it is. It's super weird that you never want to spend your time with us. It's not weird. I can't help it. I have the same interests. Why does everyone always say that? triplets and they treat me like I'm garbage.
Ooh, Joey, darling, I think you need to toughen up a little bit. And, just get over it. You're brothers. You're gonna have some problems.
I try to, but they hate me, Mom. Don't you get it? They hate me.
No, they do not.
Whole face.
I am tired of having my sons fighting all the time. I am just sick of it. Now you need to find a way to get along with your brothers.
Alright, maybe I should try a little harder or something. I can't believe them. I can't believe my brothers hate me. This is so awful. I'm so tired of it. Even my mom takes my brother's side. I just can't take it anymore. It's so frustrating. What do they want from me? I mean, I'm just being me. How can they think that I'm the one that's being mean when it's just them all the time? Always yelling at me. I just don't get it. Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll make it easier for them. Maybe I'll just run away.
Don't worry.
No one's gonna miss me anyway. No one cares. No one cares at all.
Pick him up, run away. Oh my god, what's wrong with me?
I'm out of here.
Go with your friends out and then go live for a day without telling them, and they'll be like, man, I regret that. Okay, let's see what happens now. Oh, what's a small pool? Ah.
Joey was really upset earlier. Maybe you should start taking it easy on him. Being kind of mean. Aw, dude, would you just shut up?
Shut up. You're right, you're right. Oh, I screwed up. The main one wants the red Nike shirt. Oh my god, just look at that haircut. Look at that. Oh my god. The guy has like 4 strips of hair. I asked for that. Hey, smart idea. My guy died. It's not even that far down. What the? Oh, he's screaming. I know.
Joey!
Joey!
Hey, hold on tight, man. I'll get you out. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you for helping me. Oh my gosh, it's so scary out here. Yeah, man, we were scared too. I can't believe you ran off like that. Oh man, it's been a really long adventure, that's for sure. Well, come on, let's get you home. Alright, I would love that. This is so much better than the woods. I can't believe you guys even come out here.
Hey.
Invited me, guys. I was so scared out there. Yeah, of course. We weren't gonna just leave you out in the woods like that. Yeah, man. And look, I really wanted to talk to you. That's the whole way we found out you were missing. Oh, really? Yeah, I wanted to apologize. I should have never treated you that way. I didn't mean any of those things I said.
Yeah, you better.
I was really scared when you were away. I was really scared too. I didn't like it. Look, I just love you, man, and I want to spend more time with you. And I went about expressing my feelings the wrong way, you know? Could you ever forgive me?
No. Ha.
Brothers! Awesome, I'm so excited. Triplets after all, we have to stick together, now and forever.
That's nice. Although I'm a triplet, it's 2 boys and 1 girl. Alright, thank you all so much for watching this Roblox video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more reaction, comment down below. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, small gang.